Is the automatic time setting or internet time sync not working on your Windows 11 desktop or laptop? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix this issue. So let's dive in and get started right away. First, open up the settings on your computer. Then click on Time and Language. Next, click on Date and Time. And toggle on Set Time automatically if it's off. After that, click on the search icon and type in Run. Then click on Run from the search result. Next, type in timedate.cpl in the field here and hit Enter. Now this window will pop up. Just switch to the Internet Time tab and click on the Change Settings button. From this window, just make sure that the box says Sync Time with an Internet Time Server is ticked. Then click here and select time.nis.gov from the menu and hit Update. After it finishes synchronizing the clock, click on OK. And then click on OK from this window as well. Now click on search icon and type in Services. Then click on Services from the search result. After that, find the Auto Time Zone Updater service. Then right-click on it and select Properties. Now change the startup type to Automatic. Next, click on Apply and then on OK. Now click on it again and select Start from the menu. Next, scroll down a little and find Windows Time. Then right-click on it and select Properties from the context menu. Now change the startup type to Automatic. Next, click on Apply and then on OK. And now you should have the Internet Time Sync working properly on your computer. So guys, that's how you deal with the issue of set time automatically or the Internet Time Sync feature not working in Windows 11. If the video helped you sort out the issue, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll reply as soon as I can. As always, thanks a bunch for watching.